Hello young coders and welcome to our exciting series of Python with PictoBlox. Today we will start with two fun and simple activities. First, we will use the famous print statement to print statements on the screen. And next, we will make our characters come to life using sprite.say function. It's like giving voice to your own characters. So, are you ready to begin your coding quest? Let's get started! Ever ask yourself why learn Python, not C, C++ or Java? Because Python lets you achieve more with fewer lines of code. Here are some famous examples. As a space engineer, Robin Friedrich found Python to be an ultimate tool to manage data on NASA missions. And you know, it took Margaret Hamilton 145k lines of code for Apollo mission. Imagine how short the code would have been with Python. Python is not just easy, it's powerful. It can be used to create apps, analyze data, and automate tasks. Let's jump onto PictoBlox Python environment. PictoBlox is available on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. You can also open PictoBlox.ai website or download it from the link in the description. Open PictoBlox and select the Python coding environment. It's built for teenagers like you, a bit more graphical as compared to Python IDE. To be able to make games and code activities easily with AI and machine learning, we will cover them in the upcoming videos. Remove the first line of the code so that your scripting area is blank. We will be making use of the print statement to print something onto the terminal. Write print hello world and then click on the run button. You will see the output of your code here in the terminal. Done. It's printing hello world. Let's print another statement. Print my name is Vivek. Click on the run button again and you will see both the statements in the terminal. This is how a print statement works in vanilla Python. And of course, you can do anything similar to vanilla here in PictoBlox too. Now that you're familiar with Python environment, let's do a cool activity. Why don't we make Toby, our coding companion, introduce itself? Before we start our activities, let's go through the elements present on the screen. First of all, let's understand who Toby is. Toby is a sprite or character who can perform various actions based on your commands. But wait, where is Toby standing? The white space is known as stage, where you will see the action taking place. Now, let's choose a home for Toby. Hover your mouse on the Choose a Backdrop button to select a background of your choice. The scripting area is at the center of everything. It initializes the sprite by default, but we can always remove the code if needed. This is where we will write all our Python code to give the required commands to our sprite. Right below the scripting area, you will find the terminal, log, and the serial monitor tabs. The terminal is where we will track the outputs and give inputs and interact with the Python code after it runs. The log is necessary for tracking errors and debugging them. The serial monitor comes in handy when we're interacting with the hardware like Arduino. The Projects File tab keeps track of all the files loaded in the Python environment, making it a necessary tool for file handling. By default, you will see the tab with two Python files loaded, stage.py and toby.py. The Modules and Library tab keeps track of all the extensions like face detection, object detection, computer vision, and more. PictoBlox has a variety of extensions. We will be looking at them in the future videos. Toby and the other sprites have various built-in functions and animations. One such function is the sprite.say function. You can specify the time of sprite response by mentioning it inside the say block. So let's give Toby a few instructions using the sprite.say command. Start with hello. I am Toby for 2 seconds. Next, type any commands to continue Toby's introduction. Run this code by clicking on the Run button and Toby will introduce himself. You are a smart lad, Toby. Now, let me give you an activity to try out yourself. Choose any sprite as your animated character and introduce yourself using sprite.say function. Let us know how it goes in the comments. So that was an overview of Python in PictoBlox. In the next video, we will learn about conditional statements and how to make a calculator. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and share this video. And if you haven't, do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.